At the checkout screen in TurboTax and wondering if you need all those extra add-ons like Audit Defense? If you're confused about what's worth it, you're not alone. Today, we're breaking down TurboTax's add-ons to help you choose. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. TurboTax offers upsells like Audit Defense, Full Service, and Priority Support. Their value depends entirely on your personal situation and comfort level. Audit Defense, what it really is. This is not insurance. It's a service where, for a fee, a third-party company will represent you and handle communications with the IRS if you are audited. It provides peace of mind but is a statistical long shot for most taxpayers. Other add-ons. Evaluate your needs. Full Service means a TurboTax expert does everything for you. Live Help gives you on-demand access to a tax expert. Consider your tax complexity, budget, and how much hand-holding you want. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: you already get audit support guarantee. All paid TurboTax versions include free audit support, which provides guidance on what to do and help understanding the process. Audit Defense is the representation. For most people, the free support is sufficient. So, just like that, you can make an informed decision at checkout. Understanding the difference between the included support and paid add-ons goes a long way in saving money. Now I'm curious, do you typically buy any add-ons with your tax software, or do you stick with the base product? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.